Hello, service learning faculty instructors. We are here doing this quick crash course over how to really utilize your service learning class on BlazerPulse. So as you can see here, there is a variety of things you can do, such as customizing and seeing the users and adding events, and as well as giving, which is also can be like fundraising. So yeah, your students will automatically be dropped in because you are synced to the system. So but if you did not see anybody who wasn't on your roster, you can definitely add them by sending them a personal invite, whether that be just by linking the page or yeah, through these are other social media links that you can do. So aside from that, there is the option of adding events to your class. So if you specifically wanted the class as a whole to volunteer at a specific organization, you can go to the add event and give the event a name and say if it's virtual or not, and then pretty much all the information. And then if you click publish, it will be the students will be able to see that. And so, and if you don't see someone that you wanted to partner with, you would just have to let me know so we can make them a page on BlazerPulse. But let's say we wanted to work with the YWCA, you would go to the search box in the Get Involved, and you would see that here's their page. Well, here's specifically one of their events, and you can just click their profile page, and from there there's the option to affiliate. So when you click that, you would click your service learning class. So let's say it's this one, and then it will ask you to display their events on your page and vice versa. And so from there, yeah, you would just put like center class, and then they would have the ability to approve of it. And I just wanted to show you what one page that already has been using BlazerPulse for a while, which is the Honor Service Learning class. So from here, you will be able to see in real time the hours that your students are putting into the site. So it is their responsibility to put in their hours on BlazerPulse, and the site supervisor for the event will be the one approving. So so that's how you know when it's verified, and it'll show on the page there. We could just go to this other page. So yeah, if you wanted to have a discussion board, there's definitely the capability of that under wall post. Say display wall post, auto approve wall post, enable threads, and with that, you click yes or no and you save. And so yeah, and so like I said, if you go to the manage impacts, you'd be able to see all that information on there. And thanks for watching.